accident. No. तो तुम्हें क्या होमवर्क का लगता है 25 क्वेश्चन होमवर्क 1 2 3 4 5 1 all activity immediately without work and parents message है होमवर्क एक आपका होमवर्क इधर है वो भी होमवर्क वो क्या नाम है बाहर के पेरेंट्स का होमवर्क भी आपने बस तो बाहर जाके करो थोड़ा सा लेक्चर है कर दिया टाइम मिल रहा है टाइम मिल go out and do it. नहीं किया तो बाहर देखे you have to do it. ठीक है? Because without homework, nobody will be allowed. What about you? First day today. Next time you do the homework twice and come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're done. ये लोग कर दिए. इन्होंने किया 3. सिर्फ 3 लोग. Remaining what you will do? Go out, do it. Okay. 5% लिख के लाना है. तो क्या होगा? बाकी का क्वेश्चन डबल और लिख देना. चलो आ जाओ. चलो. Where is the homework? Homework नहीं करते. इधर. What you done last time? What the topic was over, man? It's that topic हो गया ना? Okay, to start with the second topic. This matter around the fuel, isn't it? मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन किया है हाँ वो अभी तुम लोगों को करना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 70 like a test okay without seeing you write the answer what's your name Doing, therefore, 17th page number. What do you do today? You will read the topic. Now, in the meantime, as they are solving, you will read the topic. Okay? Then we'll discuss the answer. Where is the topic? First page. वहां से read करना शुरू कीजिए. So you were upset, na? Yes. Right from that first page to the last page, and then in the meantime, they will be solving that. Okay?
So, I had a question. Why did they write stable degree certificate, stable degree certificate, and stable LLC?
Really, it is actually what converted scale, na? Because it is the name of the scientist. Celsius, like scientist का नाम नहीं. Degree Celsius. इसलिए डिग्री के लिए अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. उनका नाम है ना साइंटिस्ट के लिए. डिग्री सेल्सियस एक नाम है, साइंटिस्ट का नाम नहीं. What you done? Sir, relax. You have to do that multiple choice question. What is the volume? First, you have to do multiple choice question. Page number 17. Yeah, are you ready? Read it. What? आपने सब लोग हो गए 21 question over. No, कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं करते. Up till now we complete.
When people say, yeah, question 23 and 25%. Children हम लोग के कोने बैठा है.
Yeah. Afraid homework is a must, right? Nobody can skip homework. Yeah. Homework is a must. Remember.
So मैंने क्या के टेबल पर लगेगा
कोई डबल बार करना है
25 क्या था
लेकिन लेके आना है.
तो सर कॉल करेगा
हाँ पेरेंट्स को कॉल कर दिया ठीक है वो मैसेज चला गया ठीक है और सब लोग को भी सीरियस हो जाना, you will be the topper of the class. ठीक है, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव रखना है, because the kind of glow which your parents will have on their faces, you will get 1 crore of rupees. Okay, the moment they smile, उससे भी ज्यादा, okay, 100 crore. तो केबीसी में नहीं देते, ठीक है ना, केबीसी में सिर्फ 10 करोड़ दे सकते हैं, लेकिन इधर 100 करोड़ का स्माइल आपको पेरेंट्स, my parents are smiling, इससे बड़ा चीज क्या होता है, ठीक है, अभी ये याद रखना है, अभी पेरेंट्स परेशान हो, दुखी हो जाएंगे, क्यों, the child I'm working so hard and they are hardly working, उल्टा हो जा रहा है, बड़ा अपसेटिंग है, अभी ये 9th में अभी तुम अगर अपसेटिंग करोगे तो कैसे चलेगा, तुमको और 10 साल पढ़ना है, 10 years of studies you have to do, and अभी से तुम होमवर्क बोलोगे सर ज्यादा है कम है, उसी में तुम अपना टाइम स्पेंड हो जाएगा, सीनियर कॉलेज में जब तुम जाओगे इंजीनियरिंग, डे इन एंड डे आउट लिखना है, प्रोजेक्ट्स, असाइनमेंट, यू मस्ट हैव सीन योर सिबलिंग्स, अरे अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, बट टुमारो हैव टू कंप्लीट, ठीक है ना, हार्ड वर्क, ठीक है, पेरेंट्स भी बोल देंगे अरे वी आर आल्सो नॉट एबल टू कंप्लीट, तो सब नॉट कंप्लीट लेके घर में बैठ जाएंगे, तो उसको टफ जॉब, isn't it? Working is important, just like our local trains, 2 o'clock last local train, 3 o'clock again next local train again, remember, ठीक है, अब हम लोग टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आई हैव गिवन दैट यू टू डू एट होम एंड ब्रिंग इट एज होमवर्क, पेज नंबर 17, उसमें 21 क्वेश्चंस है, ओके, और उसको आपको बिना देख के लिख के लाना है पेपर पे, 50 है ना, हाँ, तो 50 क्वेश्चन आपको मल्टीपल कैसे लिखना है, ऑप्शन ए आंसर, ऑप्शन बी आंसर, जैसा भी देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है, और उसका ऑप्शन लिखा है ए, सपोज, एंड देन व्हाटएवर आंसर, फिर सेकंड बी, सपोज बी आंसर है, बी ऑप्शन लिखने का उसका आंसर, देन आई विल करेक्ट, ठीक है, नहीं पेपर पेज में, और उसको ऊपर लिखो अपना नाम और पेरेंट्स का सिग्नेचर लो, नेक्स्ट टाइम यू लिखो. Today we are starting with a new topic, but before we go for a new topic, multiple choice question is going for homework, ठीक है ना. Now, is matter around us pure? There's a new topic going on. Yes, second topic in the middle. ठीक है, अब आते हैं टेक्स्ट, ये नोट्स में उसका हिसाब से थोड़ा सा मैंने लिख दिया शॉर्ट, वो बाद में लिखना है, वो भी नहीं, ओके, पढ़ाई करना है, मजबूत पढ़ाई करना है, पढ़ाई करने से आपको सब अपना मिल जाएगा. What is matter around us pure? Now, for example, here we are having, for example, a packet of pure ghee. Suppose you are buying from the market pure ghee, या फिर let us say for example pure salt, ठीक है ना. So according to researchers, just by writing pure doesn't mean that they are not actually what pure means. What become pure, so we consider that the test is there, the pure ghee, but it may contain some more, for example some impurities or some adulteration, so it is not pure. So is matter around us pure? Not always. That means the substance or the matter can be what, either for example pure or impure. But what is the concept of purity? If that particular substance contains one composition only, जैसा sugar, तो तुमने sugar pure लिया, उसमें कोई भी particles दूसरा नहीं है, contain only one composition, then it is called as pure sugar. Just like diamond, diamond is what, pure. Diamond में और तो कुछ नहीं रहेगा, तो diamond is also one of the pure substance, we can say. But normally, for example, solid में any other material is not there, that is called as a pure substance. But you know very well, because of pollutants, a lot of impurities are there. In other words, when I talk about pure substance, means it is consisting of only one single composition. अगर आपने rice लिया market से, तो सिर्फ rice होगा, और कुछ नहीं होगा, pure substance. दाल लिया market से, it's uncooked. उसमें एक भी अगर suppose particles मिला दूसरा, other than दाल, like कंकड़ मिला, या for example some kind of other material, then it is not pure, it is a mixture. For example, here Mixture is what? Two or more materials mixed together, maybe in uneven proportion. Then it is called as what? Mixture. But before that, pure substance में दो प्रकार के substance. One is called as what? Elements. Second is compounds. Yes or no? What are elements basically? Elements are nothing but is a carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen gas, hydrogen gas. Suppose your room में पूरा मैंने अंदर insert किया in this particular room only nitrogen. So sir, it's containing only nitrogen, containing only hydrogen, containing only oxygen, right? Like that gentleman called Anil Kapoor. You know Anil Kapoor, the famous Bollywood actor. Okay, अभी उनको मालूम पड़ा कि why he's looking so young, anti-aging process. Why? He's doing oxygen therapy. Oxygen means he's sitting in one of the room containing oxygen. Containing oxygen पूरा. Oxygen से क्या होगा? Body का cells एक cells अच्छी तरह energetic हो जाएगा. Right ना? वो wrinkles नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि oxygen जब सबको मिलेगा पूरी तरह oxygen, ठीक है? Then what will happen? पूरा ऑक्सीजन मिल जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? You will feel more energetic, right? And therefore one can say, for example, this is something which is oxygen therapy. Next, people they go for example, all these other therapies, natural therapy and all those things. Okay, hydrotherapy, swimming. Swimming अपना muscles को अपना वर्कआउट strong करने के लिए swimming करते हैं. Swimming से क्या होगा? Body में अपना, for example, all these muscles will actually what? Will become very much efficient. Contraction, relaxation of muscles will take place properly. Cycling, for example, swimming, these exercise, why? Taking muscles for exercise. Remember, ये इससे क्या हो रहा है? That is called. So elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, pure. There is only one single composition. That is element. Okay. Likewise, for example, compounds. Okay. Like for example, you have carbon dioxide. Sir, this room is fully filled with carbon dioxide. पूरा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक सिलेंडर गैस सिलेंडर अपने लिए उसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे एक ही कॉम्पोजिशन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ओके लाइक वाटर आई फाइंड ऑफ कोर्स वाटर विल हैव सम डिसॉल्व्ड मटेरियल बट आई सी टू इट दैट इट इज प्रेजेंट इन वैक्यूम मींस नो एयर वाटर कैन बी प्योर बट वी आर ओनली गोइंग टू टेक कंपाउंड्स व्हिच आर एक्चुअली प्योर वाटर अगर बोलेंगे जिसमें कोई भी डिसॉल्व्ड ऑक्सीजन नहीं है कोई भी कुछ पार्टिकल्स नहीं है then it is pure water means only one single composition but it is not possible because water has got a tendency to dissolve the gases जैसे पानी हम लोग पी रहे हैं ये खुला रहेगा तो क्या होगा dissolved oxygen रहेगा so it will not be pure तो इसीलिए इसको like pure carbon dioxide like pure HCl बोल सकते हैं hydrogen chloride okay but it's having a single composition is fixed composition percentage of hydrogen and chlorine is fixed okay remember this then but we know very well that the thing is actually what pure. It has going to be actually what mixed up with some other substance. So, like for example, a mixture is a combination of two or more materials which are having uneven, for example, composition of percentage. For example, there are two kinds of mixture: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Let us take an example. Here, I take a beaker, and in this beaker, I take some amount of water, and then I put second base. What I do, I take some amount of salt. क्या नाम है आपका? जूही. Juhi ना? J अच्छा J जूही. बराबर बहुत अच्छा नाम. Now सुनो. Juhi is actually what suppose taking one vessel and in that she is filling up some water partly and then finally what she is adding some amount of salt. क्या हो जाएगा? When she stirs. Juhi, what you will observe?
Salt.
And when she starts searching the salt, but putting the finger, but she's not able to. But the moment she actually for example, take one spoon and try to taste that solution, she finds some saltiness, indicating that this water is not pure. It is mixture. It has become mixture of salt and water. It's a uniform mixture. Somewhere. Juhi has prepared whatever solution homogeneous. और इसमें क्या हो रहा है? हर जगह salt present है. ऐसा कोई भी जगह नहीं है जहाँ पे आपको उसका saltiness नहीं मिलेगा. Homogeneous. Homogeneous means what? One single composition throughout from top to bottom. But let's say complete na. Wait. Here you have taken again what? small amount of vessel, a small vessel, a small amount of water in that. What do? You add some sand, stir it. After some time, the sand will get dissolved. Yes or no? And when he finds that salt, that particular sand is actually what? Settling at the bottom, and this water is on the top over here. It's able to make out the difference between what sand and water over here. That is this sand. Water, 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 sand. What is this? Sand plus water. Homogeneous thing. Is this just an homogeneous? You say, but they wood, and then fiber. So अब इसको homogeneous कैसे किया जाए? एक-एक हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Fiber निकालेंगे. एक-एक small, and then ये wood को है ना chop off करेंगे. फिर उसको cut करेंगे vertically, horizontally, diagonally, okay? और उसको एकदम grate करेंगे. सब लोग बोलते हैं वो गोला वाला किसे कसता है गोला और उसको कैसे small particles of ice वैसे उसको कैसे ऊपर नीचे सब जगह से you will find very thin particle. यहाँ पे आपका fiber है, यहाँ पे आपका wood. And then what you will mix up. Once you mix up, that particular heterogeneous mixture becomes. That means when the composition is not uniform throughout, it's called heterogeneous mixture. Just like that bhel wala, when he makes bhel, पहले कुरमुरा डालता है, right ना? Okay, और कुरमुरा के बाद क्या उसका spices is it is not a dal other than something else. Okay, these are all science involved over there. And then what he does, he just for example take that pudi or packet और थोड़ा सा उसको है ना, for example ऐसे वो ये करता है, for example let us say for example mix up कर. Finally what happens? All those spices, dal and other things, masala and all those things mix up. And when you pick up with your hand, are you going to get only kurma? No, you're going to get save. You're going to get that other dal. You're going to get everything. You got homogeneous mixture over there. So here is like a homogeneous mixture. You're finding different composition, but uniformity. Sabka taste aa raha hai. Yes or no? Put some lime in water. What happens? Is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? Sabko very good, excellent. Now, when we talk about, for example, the mixtures. Homogeneous means one single composition, heterogeneous means not a single composition, consisting of more than one phase. Okay? Then what is the meaning of solution? Solution is also a mixture. What kind of mixture? It's a homogeneous mixture. We'll take this mixture over here. For example, you take Chewy had taken earlier that same salt water we are taking. Here, this particular water which is containing some salt, clear? That substance which is dissolved in this particular water, which he has dissolved is salt, so that salt is called as what? Solute. And the substance which has dissolved that salt is called as what? Solvent. Right? What is it? What is this? Solute is salt, solvent is water, solute plus solvent is solution. Okay? Likewise, you can take sugar in water. So sugar is a solute and water is a solvent, and they will form a uniform mixture. So what are the characteristics of the solution? Any solution of this kind is homogeneous. The particle size of this salt, which are so small that they are invisible to our naked eye. Invisible. If anything. And then they are having a size of 10 raised to minus 9 meters. Suppose this size है particle का. इसका size is diameter कितना है? 10 raised to minus. Very small. Which is called 1 nanometer. Nano car देखा आपने? कितना छोटा है? वैसे nano car सब गाड़ियों से सबसे छोटा है. वैसे यहाँ पे particle is very small. Likewise, they cannot be separated by filtration. अगर filter करेंगे, salt separate नहीं होगी. क्यों? They are much smaller than the pores of that filter paper. They cannot be separated. And that means this particular salt solution cannot be separated by easy means. You go, my friend. Then concentration of solution. What is concentration? Whenever you want to prepare any solution, you should know how much amount of solute should be added in the how much amount of solution. That is per unit mass of solution, the amount of solute will decide the concentration. If more amount of solute is there in a given amount of solution, then concentration will be more. If less amount of solute is there, concentration is less. Like suppose you have to prepare a cup of tea for the guests who have come. Let us say parents are busy. Okay, now you want to prepare 1 cup of tea for 1 guest, or let us say 10 cups of tea for 10 guests. So for 1 cup of tea, you will have 1 teaspoonful of sugar, right now? But 10 guess how many teaspoonful of sugar for making 10 cups of tea? 10. Right now? इसका मतलब क्या है? अमाउंट अगर सॉल्यूशन का कांस्टेंट अमाउंट ज्यादा हो गया तो अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट भी ज्यादा होना चाहिए appropriately so that sweetness in the tea should be constant. अगर तुम एक ही चम्मच शुगर डालोगे इधर for 10 cups of tea then look at it चाय कैसे बना है? अच्छा नहीं बना है क्यों? शक्कर का पता ही नहीं, चाय पत्ती का पता ही नहीं क्यों? ने और 10 लोगों के लिए खाली एक ही चम्मच शुगर डाला, एक ही चम्मच चाय का concentration. Then you realize that made a mistake of concentration. Means the amount of solute which I've added is less. Right? So on the basis of the concentration, okay, CO and C is to short form like that, we are having 3 types of solutions. One is said to be unsaturated solution. What is unsaturated? Unsaturated solution is that solution which contains less amount of solute in the solution. Yes or no? Means you will say, sir, what is it? Suppose, for example, if I've got 100 grams of solvent, suppose, for 100 grams of solvent I've got, in that I add 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, 4 gram, 5 gram, 4.9 gram. Suppose it goes on dissolving. But the amount of solute which I can maximum dissolve is 5 grams. So when you are adding 4 till 4.9, solution is having, we can say less amount of solution is what? Solution is unsaturated. यानी जितना आप मैक्सिमम डिसॉल्व कर सकते हैं तो उससे कम डिसॉल्व किया तो सॉल्यूशन अनसैचुरेटेड. Exactly when you add 0.1 gram more after this, you say, sir, the solution has become saturated. Means what? At this point, if you add 1 grain of the salt or the sugar also, it will not get dissolved. Why? Solution has reached to saturation. Why? It has got maximum amount of food in the solution. Means for 100 grams of solvent, 5 grams maximum could be dissolved. But you will say, sir, by mistake I added after 5 gram, 0.1 gram more. क्या हो जाएगा चक्कर? ये 0.1 यहाँ पे and dissolve. अगर इसको dissolve करना है तो आप क्या करेंगे? Heat करेंगे. When you heat it, ये धीरे-धीरे क्या हो जाएगा? Dissolve. ये 0.1 भी dissolve. और उसके बाद धीरे-धीरे cool कीजिए. ये वापस salt वापस form नहीं होगा. That is here, this particular solution is containing excess amount of the solute in the solution. That is called supersaturated. Supersaturated solution is that solution which contains maximum amount of solute only when you are after adding that saturation point, when you heat it, it will get dissolved. Just like that particular, रसगुल्ले का जो रसा रहता है, शीरा क्या बोलते हैं? सिरप. हाँ, just सुपर सैचुरेटेड. थोड़ा सा शुगर फाइन पार्टिकल्स दिखता है लेकिन अगर ज्यादा डालेंगे तो दिखे. पर अगर थोड़ा 0.1 0.2 डालेंगे कुछ नहीं. Remember, Mr. Sina, when you have that rasgulla, you find that sugary syrup also is there, but you are not able to make out sugar particles literally in the solid form. Why? It's super saturated. Super saturated. It's like saying this way, you are actually what? For example, a person is studying. Okay? The book हाथ में लिया उसने. इसका कैपेसिटी 5 घंटे पढ़ने का. स्टूडेंट एक ही साल मेरे बीच में गैप ऑफ कोर्स 1 घंटे पढ़ा कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. 2 घंटे 3 घंटे 4 घंटे 4 पॉइंट लेट से फॉर एग्जांपल 59 सेकंड्स तक पढ़ सकते. ओके, इट्स अ सर virus that maximum I can. So what is this 1 2 3 4 unsaturated? So brain is still unsaturated. Means I've got more room in the brain to absorb. 5 hours हो गया. So brain has become saturated. Us. Then you mommy says that बेटा और थोड़ा पढ़ लो. एक भाई आंसर ही करना है तुम्हारा कर लो. तो तुम बोलो ओके मम्मी कि जब तक कॉफी बना दो I'll have it. Okay. और उससे क्या होगा? थोड़ा माइंड फ्रेश होगा. Just give me half a cup of coffee and then one answer I am able to do. That point was super saturated. उसने और 10 मिनट पढ़ लिया है और ठीक है वो एब्सॉर्ब हो गया. और इसके बाद कोई बोलेगा तो सर पॉइंट डिसॉल्व रहेगा. उसके बाद तुम हीट भी करोगे तो डिसॉल्व नहीं होगा. मींस अभी उसके बाद जो दूसरा आंसर तीसरा आंसर पढ़ रहे हैं जैसे टकरा के ब्रेन से वापस Means it's not able to absorb. Solute में actually dissolve है, solution में dissolve ही नहीं होता है. एक particular point पे you even if you add excess after heating also it will not get. That means the solution has become super duper kind of saturated. And after some time it will not get dissolved. Remember, to go boiling over saturated. Okay, so what type of solution we want? Saturated, not unsaturated. And this maximum amount of solute in the solution is called as what? What is it, children? Solubility. So solubility. In हर salt का solubility अलग है. Solubility of salt A, solubility of salt B, C, D. इसका 10 ग्राम dissolve होने का, इसका 12, 11 और इसका 12, इसका 13. तो सबसे ज़्यादा soluble कौन सा salt है? सबसे कम soluble कौन सा है? In 100 grams of solvent आपके वो. At saturation point, the maximum amount of solute in the solution is going to give the solubility. The solubility is nothing but instead of writing amount of solute, what write maximum amount of solute which could be dissolved in 100 grams of solvent. That is called solubility. Okay? कितना dissolve हो सकता है sir? At maximum 5. ये मेरा capacity. एक सुनने बोलेगा सर मेरा 6 घंटे का पढ़ने का, उसका solubility 6 है. एक बोलेगा 10, मुझे 10,000 पढ़ सकता हूँ. इसका ये मैक्सिमम, इसका मैक्सिमम 11 घंटे, इसका 12 घंटे, इसका 13. स्टडीज में तो नहीं पॉसिबल है, बट वी कैन से जब उसका कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाता है, उसका कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाता है, राइट? तो लेट अस स्टार्ट रीडिंग द कांसेप्ट. एनी डाउट्स इन दिस? सिंपल है, पढ़िए. यस, व्हाई नॉट? चलो. एटमॉस्फेयर क्या बोल रहे हो? वो भी सैचुरेशन पॉइंट पे आते हैं. What you are asking?
Saturated, ना?
It's like carbon dioxide and other things, gases are not saturation. They are going on increasing. They are going on changing. But एक time आएगा कि carbon dioxide को full जब atmosphere में फ्री हो जाएगा, ठीक है? तो उस टाइम हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. बट इससे ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है. नेचर बैलेंस कर देती है. ठीक है, जब तक नेचर के पास पावर. चलो पढ़िए. जोई पहला क्वेश्चन, अरे पहला पेज में से पहला पैराग्राफ आप पढ़िए. सेकंड शी विल रीड. Then sit down. You will read first. You will read second. Again, इधर एक. चलो. Second chapter. Introduction.
Introduction. For a common person, pure means having no adulteration. But for a scientist, it means that all the constituent particles of the substance are the same in their chemical nature.
Yes.
A pure substance consists of a similar type of particle. In other words, the substance is a pure single from a particle. What is a mixture?
बस हो गया. एक लाइन पढ़ना, एक
What
सेंटेंस.
is a mixture?
What is a mixture?
Mixtures are constituted by more than one kind of pure form of matter known as a substance.
Oh.
A substance cannot be separated into other kinds of particles.
Yes. Okay. This underline this very important point. A mixture is constituted of more than one kind of pure form of matter known as substance. A substance cannot be separated into other kinds of matter by any physical process. We know that the dissolved sodium chloride can be separated from water by physical process of evaporation. Yes or no?
Sir, why can we rarely form hydrochloric acid? Mostly will be provided as hydrogen.
It is a gas, na? Hydrogen chloride liquid थोड़ी है. Hydrogen chloride gas है.
We have to liquefy.
हाँ, वो liquid है under pressure में. Similarly, read or please read out second. Then similarly, sugar
Similarly, sugar is a substance because it contains
only one kind of pure matter, right? Huh? Then
its composition is the same throughout.
yes.
Soft
एक
drink
मिनट बस हो गया. एक सेंटेंस पढ़ना है. ज़्यादा हम not giving trouble. चलो बोलो. पार्थ पढ़िए.
soft drink and soil are not.
Yes, soil में क्या क्या रहता है? Different kinds of, let's say for example, rocks, rocky material, sedimentary, जो भी अपना, like for example, various material, humus, plants, twigs, okay, different kinds of sands. So that is called as a mixture. Like वो soft drink में क्या है? सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक में वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स, शुगर है, फिर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, पानी है, तो मिक्सचर है, राइट ना? नेक्स्ट,
They will always have the same characteristic.
यस,
Therefore, we can say that the mixture contains
more than one substance because they are not made up of single. Anything which is not made up of single is mixture. Anything which is made up of single substance is called as element of compound, which is pure. Next one, types of mixture. What is?
Depending upon the nature of the components from the mixture, we can different types of mixture. This
Yes, fully.
There are those that have the same discussion with this order,
Heterogeneous mixtures. पढ़ो. Yes, underline this. Homogeneous mixture, same composition and properties throughout. Heterogeneous mixture, different composition and properties in different parts of their masses. Right ना? Right? ऊपर ऊपर क्या दिख रहा है? Water. नीचे जाके दिखेंगे तो sand and water. इधर क्या है? पूरा uniform. Right? Next one. What is the solution? कौन पढ़ रहा है? पढ़िए.
What is the solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances.
Yes.
Lemonade, soda water, etc. are all examples of solutions. We think of the solution as a liquid that contains either a solid, liquid, or a gas dissolution. So we can also have solid solutions alloy and gaseous solutions air. In a solution, there is homogeneity and in particle level, for example, can be taste the same throughout. This shows that particles of sugar or salt are evenly distributed in the solution.
Next.
alloys.
Alloys. This is very important. What are alloys? Alloys are homogeneous mixture. Alloys किसका है? Steel. अपना जो steel क्या है? It's a mixture of carbon and iron. So where you are not able to find out, for example, that carbon and iron separately. This is nothing but what? What is this? Huh? An alloy. ये जो alloy है, normally our handles of the doors are nothing but made of brass. Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. Bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. ठीक है ना? अगर suppose ये brass है, suppose brass means what? और German silver है. German silver में क्या है? Copper and aluminium. तो वहाँ पे तुम्हारे को silvery कलर. Brass थोड़ा सा brownish कलर. Brownish नहीं दिख रहा है. ये अंदर वाला मतलब brown दिख रहा है. But ये सब अपना steel type कलर. What is steel? Carbon and iron. Remember, okay? So it's alloy is a homogeneous mixture. Next one.
Alloys are mixtures of four metals or a metal and metal.
Yes.
They cannot be separated into by physical method. But still an alloy is considered as a mixture because it shows the properties of its constituents and can have variable compositions. For example,
Brass is a mixture of approximately 30% zinc and 70% copper. Very good. Next one.
a solution of the solvent of its components. The component of the solution is the usually the component present in lava.
It's called solvent. So water is a solvent, right? Because वो larger quantity में है. Then
The component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent usually present in lesser quantities.
it's called solute. There is sugar and salt are nothing but solute. Okay. Next one.
Examples, solution of sugar. Solute solution. This solution, sugar is solute.
Yes. Next one.
properties of the solution. The solution is a homogeneous mixture.
Of the solution is smaller than 1 nanometer, 10 minus 9.
10 raised to minus 9.
Raised to minus 9 very that. So they cannot be seen from that.
Yes. Padiye.
Because of very small particle size, they do not scatter and
The beam of light.
passing through the solution. So the path of light is not visible in the solution.
Yes. ठीक है ना? एक beam of light अगर आप pass करेंगे तो इसलिए they are so small, so they don't scatter the light. In fact, they get scattered. ये वो दूर-दूर चले जाते हैं तो light directly pass. आपको beam of light visible नहीं. That is called tyndall. Like for example, you are sitting in the, let us say for example, dusty cinema hall. तो projector light जब throw करते हैं तो आपको एक beam of light दिखाई देता है ना? Why? Because the dust particles are actually what obstructing that light. Obstructing और उसको क्या करते हैं? Scatter कर देते हैं light. Scatter means spread out कर देते हैं. That's why you are able to see the beam of light. Likewise, when it's drizzling outside in the night, you want to know whether it's drizzling or not. You see at the street light, आपको fine droplets of rain दिखाई देंगे. और droplets of rain नहीं है. It's a shininess around the rain droplets. Which is visible, right? Now, like for example, you are sitting in the car and a truck is actually what going in front of you and emitting, for example, that is carbon particles. So can you see that smoke of the carbon particles, coming towards your car? That is nothing but tyndall effect, scattering of light. Because dust, smoke, rain, they are not actually having a small size; they are having larger size than the salt particles. So they scatter the light. उसको बोलते हैं tyndall. So next one.
The solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration.
Filtration. Remember, because salt को हम लोग separate नहीं कर सकते. Then
the solute particles do not settle down when them conditioned.
yes, because these solute particles will be moving around continuously. Okay, they are going to be actually moving around throughout. Okay, next one. Concentration. What do you?
Any particular temperature, a solution that is dissolved as much solid as it is capable of absorbing is said to be a saturated solution. No more solute can be dissolved in a solution at a given temperature. It is called a saturated solution.
Yes.
The amount of the solid present in the saturated solution at this stage is called
Yes, solubility. Then
If the amount of solute contained in the solution that's the saturation level is called a saturation level.
very good. Well, कितना ही पढ़ना है, बाकी का लिखना है. चलो लिखो. कि 10 पार्ट 10 मिनट बाकी है. Complete करो. Okay. On the right part, because writing skill is also important. Reading जो आपका बहुत ही अच्छा है. अब writing करो. तो homework है multiple choice question. You also will read chapter and at home you will go for the multiple choice question. Self trial. Okay. सब लोगों को वो multiple choice question करके लाना है. हाँ, पेज पे लिख देना. और जो homework आज नहीं किया, everybody will do it. Next time I show it to me. Work for you for today. NCRT question number 1, page number 31. Page number 31, first question, second question. Going question upon. Page number 31, first and second. Page number 31, first and second. Very less homework I am giving for 1 week. Okay? Multiple choice तो है, प्लस ये 2 क्वेश्चन, प्लस आपका पेंटिंग क्वेश्चन. हाँ? वेकेशन चलो है ना तुम्हारा? कभी से परसों ठीक है, परसों के बाद जब भी आओगे वापस तो ये सब होमवर्क दिखा है ना। ये बंद हो गया क्या? कौन सा बटन? ये इसका बटन है, चार्जिंग का था ना। अरे इसका बटन इधर है, इस साइड है। आई थिंक सो स्टॉप हो गया वो। देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ ये ना। हाँ ये बटन है, ये बटन है ना, ये वाला है। ओके कहाँ से ऑन करना? इधर से। ओ रिमोट से, वेरी गुड। हाँ रिमोट से चल रही है। इधर रिमोट। हाँ चल। अरे चश्मा तुमको ब्लर लग रहा है। ब्लर दिख रहा है। आगे आ जाओ, तुम इधर आ जाओ इससे। क्या नाम है? हाँ क्या नाम है? हाँ नमन। हाँ चलो नमन इधर आ जाओ। तुम क्या कर रहे हो? अरे क्लासरूम क्यों में आए? यहाँ पे किधर है पार्टिसिपेंट? हाँ चलो गुड। फुल स्क्रीन किधर से आ रहे हैं? चलो ठीक है, इसे डन ऑल यू स्टॉप ओवर हियर। नेक्स्ट टाइम we'll discuss about the remaining parts of it. Happy vacation, enjoy your work as well as your you can say for example you're going out somewhere. Hey yes, so going out somewhere, बाहर जा रहे हो, enjoy your vacation. But my friend, I enjoy करके बहुत जबरदस्त लोग क्यों इधर जाना तो इधर भी ले जाते, ठीक है बॉम्बे में एंजॉय करो, ठीक है ना। चलो बाय बाय।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू।
Yeah.